We're on the way to Falls. Good day. We are at Magnetic Island. We drove from the ferry spot, like with the e-scooters, 10 minutes to Joffrey Bay. And over here on the shore there's like a rock wallaby spot where you can see some. Pretty amazing. Our next destination is like a little bit up north. We went there to snorkel, so let's check it out. So we thought, okay, we just walk the way to the next like Arthur Bay we want to go. It's like behind that. But yeah, the streets are kind of hard to walk on because they're so small, so like serpentine, curvy, so it was kind of dangerous to walk. Then we bought a bus ticket. One day, 480. Then we was like going one bus stop and then like 40 minutes walk to Arthur Bay, and now we want to kind of chill on the bay, snorkel a bit,